In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings to scroll and access apps. Then hit Choose Default Apps, tap on Home app, click on Launcher Pro, select Allow All and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, you need to access Devices Settings again. Click on Default Home app and tap on your default one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!